FlexFridge, presenting the truly portable mini refrigerator. FlexFridge is a 4 cubic feet mini fridge designed to offer convenient, additional cold storage for hotels, businesses, and universities. The FlexFridge is a compact mini fridge that is portable, folds up, and has a battery pack which lasts up to 8 hours. Easy to move, set up, and use, it is ideal for instant cooling and freezing needs. FlexFridge adds convenience because you can take it anywhere. Retractable handles and wheels make it easy to take on the go. A great choice for weekends away, parties, and office functions when you need extra cold storage. This makes a versatile gift and a perfect travel companion. Maximum refrigeration operating temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum freezer operating temperature is -3 degrees Celsius, 27 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooling enabled by a compressor and refrigerant. Acrylic viewing window. Retractable handle for easy mobility. Rounded edges to ensure safety. Durable metal design. FlexFridge. A flexible fridge option accessible anytime you want. www.flexfridge.com